Hey guys, so today we're with the first Lamborghini that I got to spec out myself from factory, which it's not my car, it's the YSFL collection. But you know, I got to spec it out, which is pretty cool. You know, I've always loved supercars, as you guys obviously know from the channel. I have my GT4, but a Lamborghini's on a different level. So I got to spec this one out. Let me show you around. Let's take it for a little bit of a drive. But yeah, it's pretty cool. So I know it's not a LaFerrari, it's nothing crazy. It is a Lamborghini Urus at the end of the day, but I just like it because I kind of got to pick all the colors. Obviously, you got to do white to match like the LaFerrari and all that. 23-inch black wheels. The interior is blue. I always see white on red, white on black, so I just really want to try something a little bit different. White on blue, but you don't want to go too blue, so you want to put some contrast black. You have the blue steering wheel. Pretty cool, but let's go take it for a little bit of a drive. Let's hop in. The start button. Not a bad starter for an SUV, I mean. And man, once you're in here with the blue, it looks so freaking cool. But let's go for a drive before it gets too dark. So we're in the Urus right now, man. First thing I noticed is when I'm driving it, I'll show you guys in a second, but man, the blue steering wheel makes this thing look so cool, feel so cool. Because you know, my biggest problem with these like sporty SUVs is that they kind of feel like a normal car almost. So I really wanted to try to change it up a little bit, which I think this totally did. Again, I don't want to make this sound like it's something crazier than it is. It is at the end of the day just a Urus, which is nowadays pretty freaking common, but I don't know, it's pretty cool. So now let's put this thing in sport mode, which we just did, because it's gonna feel and sound a lot better in sport mode. We'll do a little bit of a quick stretch here on the road. Okay, so let's try second gear. Oof, that pop. It's pretty good. Not bad. But yeah, it's just a cool like daily driver, a little bit special. You know, it's not a full-on Lamborghini, I wouldn't consider it that, but it's probably the best out of the sporty SUVs. Yeah, it's a cool view out of here. The one option that I was told that you absolutely need to have is the Bang & Olufsen sound system, which you can tell right here. It's an $8,000 option here in Canada, and apparently just like everybody gets it, so we had to select it. But man, it's so sick. In sport mode, it's so aggressive. I love this thing. Also, the key is pretty cool, but that's it for the Urus for today. We'll probably see it again another day pretty soon. Now we're just dealing with the 918. The GTO is getting detailed. My GT4, and of course, the LaFerrari right there. Well, 918, excuse the lift being up right now. We had to get it up and down the driveway. But it is freshly detailed and very, very, very clean. Okay, so it is the next day right now. I'm on the highway with the Urus, actually. Didn't know I'm going to be driving it today, but this steering wheel feels so freaking thick. Like, I don't know yet if I like it or not, but it's very, very different. But yeah, this car's super smooth on the highway. I'm in comfort mode right now. Just, you know, literally feels like a luxury SUV, like I'm driving a Range Rover or something. But yeah, I know as soon as I press the sport button, this car is going to completely change, so it's pretty cool. But honestly, there's a little bit of traffic and stuff, so I'm just going to stay, you know, driving normally. Hey guys, we're back at CPE, and we have this 992 Turbo S Cabrio in front of us. But as you can tell, this looks pretty much completely different from regular 992 Turbo S. The first tell is the badge. This is a TechArt 992 Turbo S in paint to sample viola. Obviously, you can tell different front with the different wheels. These are rift wheels. Very cool in the purple and looks so aggressive. You have the carbon fiber intakes right here, different side skirts. You have the carbon fiber spoiler, dry carbon. Very, very cool. And you can tell different diffuser. And this thing actually has aftermarket exhaust and downpipe, so it sounds absolutely insane. But let's look at the interior. So we're in the 992 Turbo, and the interior is actually white, which you honestly never see on 992s. I don't think I've personally ever seen one. But other than that, the interior looks pretty standard. But what you do notice when you start it up, that's not a regular Turbo S startup. It's not a cold start. We drove the car recently, so it could be louder. But apparently, if we put this thing into sport mode, it actually gets significantly louder. No. Okay, now we're in Sport Plus. Let's see. That's not bad. And don't worry, it's not cold. The car's warm. Don't worry. the back end of this car looks freaking crazy, way more aggressive than a regular one. Honestly, normally turbos are kind of boring, but this thing is not. This thing sounds amazing, looks amazing. It actually feels like a supercar, not just like a regular cruiser. Then here we have a Brabus G-Wagon, but you know, you start seeing a lot of Brabus G-Wagons recently, so people don't really pay attention to them. But this one is not a regular Brabus G-Wagon. This is not a G63. This is a G65. Now, for those of you who don't know the difference between a G63 and a G65, the cars are pretty much the same. They look pretty much the same, even though this one obviously has the body kit, but the G65 has the V12, not the V8, which is absolutely crazy to put a V12 in something that looks like this. This is pretty much a box on wheels with a supercar engine. Unfortunately, they didn't make the G65 for the new shape of the G-Wagon, which is a huge improvement over the old one. So this one is the old shape, but it's still super badass. There's a new shape one right there being built, but yeah, too bad they don't make the 65s anymore. This thing was so cool. We saw this in the last video. It's getting PPF right now, the Oro Elias Huracan STO. Very, very cool. My second favorite Lamborghini color. We're going to see my favorite Lamborghini color here as well, probably in the next few weeks on another STO.